Cereal bar processing line with chocolate coating machine is used for producing cereal bar or granola bar with chocolate coating outside. The full production line we always design it to be: syrup cooker, mixer, bar former, cutter and bar separating device. Chocolate coating and decorating machine, cooling, packing machine. Machine line can be designed according to customers' requirements. The raw materials can be peanut, rice, oats, nuts, sesame, hop rice, dry fruits, etc. Text combined procedures into one. Filling materials, pressing shape, cooling materials. Cutting muesli bar, conveying and cooling muesli bar. Controlled by Siemens plc and touch screen with friendly interface.